there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Look at this great little pool haven right here. You don't want to miss this one.
Beachy Beach. So Heather, one of the things I love about this community in the Glades is it's so easy to get to.
Yep, if you've got some traffic on Back Beach, you can slip over, you can go to Middle Beach, or even R. Jackson. I mean,
So
three access
three
points.
ways.
Yes.
Perfect. The grocery store, places to eat, golf courses,
And
all sorts of things.
speaking of golf course, you can golf cart right down to the beach. We're just literally a block off the beach.
Perfect. And one thing we do want to remember about this neighborhood, no short-term rentals.
Yes.
It would just be long-term,
Or second home visiting.
second home, or that primary beach lifestyle.
Yes.
Let's go check this house out. I'm loving this updated kitchen over in this Glades home. I especially like the center island, lots of storage space, cabinets, even a little spice rack. You've got stainless steel appliances, gorgeous countertops, plenty of cabinetry, some even backlit if you have some dishes you want to show off. We've got LVP, so you don't have to worry about carpet, easy cleanup, and even better, your little dining space overlooks the gorgeous pool. Let's go check out the living area. So the main living area feels like a little nook. You kind of walk down into it, but then it has these expansive ceilings, lots of natural light flooding in. Again, we have the LVP throughout. There's even a wet bar off of the main living room, so perfect if you have guests. Easy access to a lovely covered porch and your pool area, as well as convenient access to a guest bathroom. Let's go see what Heather has to say about the primary ensuite.
Oh, welcome. I just can't get enough of these views. Here is your main ensuite. It's right here, the first level, and you get to see the pool, which, you know, I don't know about you, but for me, water is some serenity, and it just helps me look out there, wake up during the day. You've got a nice expansive bathroom. You do have those two sinks and the shower. It's a full set, and this is just a great space. Now, this home has 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. They are split floor plan, so that's just perfect that you get to have this serenity in the back. So for more information, look in the description below. We've got the listing link for all of those little details.
And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals in Panama City Beach.